Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon and today we're going to do one of my daily guided meditations. And if you're new to these daily meditations or to my channel, I post these every single day. And this is my personal practice that I'm using to just get us through this time of quarantine and isolation when the lockdowns started and life was changing. My daily practice stopped. And after 3 or 4 weeks, I knew I needed to start it back up again. I started recording it, one, to keep me accountable, and two, to offer it out to you as a chance to sit and find some peace. Now, the meditations changed day to day depending on what I might need. And today, the experience that's settling with me is, just my feelings on lack of productivity or not doing that great or not meeting my own expectations. It's hard. Life is changing. Things are different. So what kind of expectations can we really have for ourselves right now? Like, really? So, in light of that, I'm just going to do a meditation today on self-compassion. Whatever you might be sitting with today, maybe it's not about productivity, but if in some way you're judging, criticizing, feeling disappointed in yourself, then we'll be sitting with that today. And if you're feeling fine, then you can still sit with whatever rises up for you and breathe and join along, or look back through some of my past meditations to see if there is something that you feel is more appropriate for your condition. Just look in the titles or the thumbnails for their description. Then all you'll need is a comfortable place to sit and a place with as few distractions as possible. So if you have your seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like to breathe right now. Letting go any thoughts of the external world, anything that might be on your mind. Just let that drift away and bring your attention strictly to your breathing. And notice what it feels like to breathe right now, physically. How is your experience? Making sure your spine is tall, you're not slouched over, your shoulders are a little bit back, and your chin is tucked. To allow your lungs and stomach to expand and take in lots of good air. And then bring your awareness to your heart and your emotions right now. Is there anything recently that has been disappointing you? Have you been harsh on yourself lately? And if so, how have you been harsh with yourself? Know that whatever arises for you right now, you are doing the best you can in the current situation. The expectations that we may be giving ourselves right now belong to another time, to another world, to another version of ourselves. They don't apply to today. So what I'd like you to do is to picture in front of you a heart, a bright, shining heart, and it radiates light, and it's shining light on you. It's shining love on you. So much love. Take in this love. Imagine yourself surrounded by this warm, loving energy. You may find it difficult to accept this loving energy, but just let the light shine on you. The light from this giant heart in front of you. And if you can, imagine this heart moving forward and then just joining with your heart center. And imagining again that love still radiating around you, but from your own heart center. Imagine yourself sending your own self this love. imagining this bright, shining heart, radiating light in the middle of your chest. And then go through your day and silently thank yourself for what you did do today. Even the smallest things, getting dressed, brushing your teeth, helping your kids with their homework, mowing the lawn. Whatever you did today, thank yourself. And then release the image of the shining heart and release what you did today and just come back to your breath. Come back to breathing for a little bit. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little bit of daily meditation to wrap up your day, to help relax you and let go of some of those worries and help you settle into a sleep tonight. Because rest and self-compassion and self-care are really important for you right now so that you can take care of yourself, so that you can take care of others, and make it through this time period until we settle into whatever is new, whatever is waiting for us on the other side of this. Thank you again, and have a wonderful night, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.